I want to be clear that we are absolutely not targeting law-abiding gun owners. The guns that we are going after are the assault rifles that were used in Portapique and Truro in Nova Scotia. The guns that we are going after are the guns that were used at the Quebec City Mosque in Quebec City.
Are the Conservatives fear-mongering, claiming the Liberals are coming after hunting rifles and shotguns? Hi, I'm Brian Lilley, political columnist for the Toronto Sun. You heard Public Safety Minister Marco Mendicino make the case that they're not targeting hunters, but what is the reality? Reality is the Liberals are targeting hunters. Yes, they are making claims that they're going after rifles and shotguns used in mass shootings, but that's simply not the case. Conservative MP Rob Moore standing up in the House of Commons and asking Mendicino how he can claim that he's going after the people that are causing real harm in our streets when he's really going after hunters. Check out the exchange.
Well, Mr. Speaker, the evidence is in, and it's not good. Violent crime is up 32%. Canada's homicide rate is at the highest it's been since 2005. And gang-related killings are on the rise. And what does this Liberal government choose to do? Rather than go after criminals and gun smugglers, they're going after farmers and duck hunters. Mr. Speaker, will the minister finally admit that the Liberal soft-on-crime approach is not working and the evidence shows it has to end?
The guns that we are going after, Mr. Speaker, are the guns that were tragically used in Polytechnique. Those are the assault rifles that we are targeting in Bill C-21, and it would just be time now for the Conservatives to stop filibustering and study this bill, debate this bill, and pass this bill so that we can end gun violence once and for all. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Okay, here's the reality, separate from the spin that Mendicino wants you to believe. There are two different paths that the Liberals are using to try and ban rifles and shotguns that are currently used for hunting. One, they're adding them by name to the list of banned rifles and shotguns. Secondly, they've got an amendment. And this amendment says that any centerfire rifle or shotgun that can accept a magazine of greater than 5 rounds or cartridges or shells is prohibited. Look, you don't have to be a gun nut to understand this. In Canada, you can't have a magazine of greater than 5 for these firearms. But guess what? You can buy them in the